Hi, welcome back to The Right Focus. This is the second episode in the Study Skills series. I can understand how frustrated and tired you felt when you tried to get your child to study. But don't fret, I'll be covering the tips and techniques in this video. Having a supportive parent and good study skills is the key for your child to score in exams. I'll be sharing some terms later that are related to the Singapore education context. However, the tips shared in this video can also be applied in other countries' contexts. First and foremost, if you are eager to help your child score in their exams, you must have a positive mindset and attitude. It can be particularly challenging to work with a child who refuses to study. If you are also negative towards studying, which includes avoiding math, problem sums, you will cause a negative learning atmosphere. So, you have to keep calm and stay positive while teaching your child. You can build a positive attitude by starting short focused study periods with your child. You should always maintain an active interest in the child learning, as any negative mindset or attitude can affect your child. Always be supportive and encourage him or her to like the subject. I know it's difficult to like certain subjects, but when your child likes the subject, his or her passion will drive him or her to do better.
Tip number 2. Use teaching methods that your child is comfortable with. They can practice their vocabulary and grammar by using language apps available on their mobile devices. He or she can also do e-learning.
It is good for a child to work with you or the tutor, as the child is able to clarify his or her own thoughts and to embed the concepts and methods involved. Your child can gain knowledge and learn to cope with criticisms and challenges through this productive and enjoyable process of learning together. Get your child to explain some concepts and questions to you to make sure that they have fully understand. After working with your child, you can provide feedbacks for them to be motivated and improve. It is best to balance praise with constructive criticism. I'll be introducing to you the sandwich approach. Start with positive comments, then indicate what could be improved, focusing on the main issues, being as specific as possible. No student wants to be bombarded with a long list of things to be corrected. Finally, it's good to offer further positive comments to end your discussion on a good note. Do take note that even if the work needs a lot of improvement, you should still praise the effort that the student has made or the fact that they completed the task on time. Here's a wonderful quote by Jeff Hawkins. Whatever the difference between brilliant and average brains, we are all creative. And through practice and study, we can enhance our skills. I hope these tips shared are useful. I'll be sharing more useful tips, techniques, and strategies in future videos.